Good afternoon everyone, Scott from Scott Hensman Cleaning Solutions. Cleaned this driveway 2 days ago and now I'm back to sand it. So it's just kiln dried sand. It's a very fine sand so that it can be brushed into the joints with ease, like so. You just brush it around and sweep away any excess. And sometimes I actually like to just use my hands, sweep it about. It's quite therapeutic. Some people think it's a bit weird, but that's it. Now the sand doesn't prevent weeds. That's a misconception. A lot of people think, oh, I'll put sand down, that'll stop the weeds. It doesn't. Weeds will grow back. They are unfortunately a pain. But if you are wanting not to worry about weeds, then I recommend getting it sealed. And the sealant I use is Resi Block. And basically I put it down and it will soak into the sand, harden it and make it near or impossible to break through the barrier. So there we have it. I like to do this diagonally because I feel as if you do it this way, straight, it sometimes just brings a lot of the sand back out of the joints, sorry. So, get that to do, probably take another 20 minutes or so, and I'll be done. Take care.